Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm back with a new product review. I'm doing a review for this American Micronic electrical barbecue griller. So in my previous videos you have seen I've prepared recipes using this barbecue griller. I'll start with unboxing this barbecue griller. So it comes in a very compact box which you can use for storage also. Now, once I'm unboxing this, the first thing I see is the lid. So the lid is a toughened glass lid which helps the meats or your veggies to stay moist while it's grilling. This does not happen in a conventional griller. So I always wonder if there is a lid provided for the conventional griller for the veggies to stay moist a little bit. Now the heat setting is there from 90 degrees to 220 degrees, and there is also a oil collector tray or the drip tray, which is very convenient when you're grilling the meats and you're trying to prepare a lot of veggies. If you add excess butter, it will eventually drip down in the drip tray. So that is how convenient this is. It's very easy for cleaning, and you just apply some soap water. It's easily cleaned, and you just need to wipe it and store it back again. Now what I really like about this barbecue electric griller is you have this heat setting. You have to place it on 5 mode, and then you can reduce it for 3 mode, 2 mode, and you can grill different kinds of vegetables, paneer and meats as per your choice. Since this is a non-stick hot plate, it makes the cleaning easier. So I highly recommend this, friends. It's a very nice product, especially for people who are staying in apartments like me and want a smokeless griller. This electric griller is perfect. This is priced between 3,000 to 4,000 rupees. It's available on Amazon, and it is a wonderful product, especially if you want to give this to somebody for housewarming and you want to buy an electric griller for yourself. I recommend this particular product. For more information, do visit the description box below this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, do like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.